Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Flow channel, where learning English is simple, fun, and part of your daily routine. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you are here with us today. Whether you are listening while cooking, cleaning, or walking outside, thank you for taking time to improve your English.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels great to be here again. Every week we meet new people in the comments from many different countries, and that makes this podcast very special.
Yes, it's beautiful to see how many people want to learn English together. And before we begin, please click the like button and subscribe to the English Flow channel. Subscribing helps us make more lessons for you, and liking the video helps YouTube show it to more learners.
And if you have a friend, a family member, or a colleague who is learning English, share this episode with them. Learning becomes easier when you do it together.
Exactly. Now, David, how are you today?
I feel great today. I woke up early, stretched, drank a big glass of water, and listened to music for about 15 minutes. It gave me a calm start to the day.
That sounds nice. I also feel good, but a little tired. I slept late because I watched a travel video about Japan. It was really interesting, but now I need more coffee.
I understand, but I can see you're excited and I'm excited too. Today's topic is something many learners ask about.
Yes. Today we are talking about how to train your brain to think in English.
That is a big topic, not just speaking English, but thinking in English.
Exactly. And the good news is that it is not difficult. It can be easy and fun if you do it step by step.
Good, because I like fun, not pain.
Same here. So let me ask you, David, when you speak English, what happens inside your head?
Usually I think in my first language, then translate in my brain and then speak in English. It works, but it feels slow.
Yes, that is very common. Many learners translate first, but it takes energy and time. Our goal is to think directly in English. David?
Think in English. No translation.
Exactly. When you do that, speaking becomes faster, easier, and more natural.
That sounds great, but how do we start?
We start small. Very, very small.
How small?
Not just individual words. Small sentences. Real sentences.
Small sentences. Okay, give me an example.
Look, I have a pen. I don't only think pen. I think this is my pen. Or my pen is blue. A real communication.
That feels more natural, like real language, not just vocabulary.
Yes, you connect English to your life, not to your language.
So in the morning, I wake up and think. I am awake. I am tired. I want coffee. I need a shower.
Perfect. Small sentences all day, everywhere.
I can do that at home, on the bus, while cooking.
Yes, even when walking outside, I see a tree. The sky is blue. The street is quiet.
This is great. Okay, tip 1, small sentences. Very simple.
Exactly. Now, tip 2, input.
Input means English coming into my brain.
Yes, input is what you listen to or read. Podcasts, videos, music, books, YouTube, simple stories, short videos, anything in English.
Like this podcast.
Yes. When you listen to English that is not too difficult, your brain learns patterns and rhythm.
The rhythm, the music of the language.
Exactly. And listening helps your brain understand grammar without thinking about rules.
So my brain learns naturally.
Yes, like how children learn. They listen first.
Okay, so what should I listen to?
Easy English content, slow speech, clear speech, simple vocabulary. Things you enjoy, not things that feel like homework.
I love cooking videos. They are visual and simple.
Perfect. When the person says, I cut the tomato while cutting a tomato, your brain connects the words to the action.
I also like football videos.
Then watch football videos. The announcer might say, he runs, he kicks, it's a goal.
That sounds fun. When learning is fun, I continue. When learning is boring, I stop.
Exactly. A happy brain learns faster. David,
Okay, what about music? Is music good for learning?
yes, simple songs are great. Songs repeat words many times. And when songs are emotional, your brain remembers faster.
That makes sense. Music stays in the mind.
Yes, but choose songs with clear lyrics. Some music is too fast or poetic. Start simple, David.
What about movies?
Movies can be helpful, but many are too fast for beginners. Better to start with short clips, simple shows, or children's programs. Later, movies will feel easier.
Okay, so input. Listen and watch things I like.
Yes. Now, tip 3, output.
Output means speaking, right?
Yes. Speaking is sending English out of your mouth.
But sometimes I have no one to speak to.
That is fine. You can speak to yourself.
To myself?
Yes. In your room, in the car, in the shower, while cooking, while cleaning.
That feels strange.
Maybe, but it works. Describe what you see. For example, this is my room. The bed is big. I see a lamp. The lamp is on.
I can try right now. I see my laptop. My laptop is black. I am sitting on a chair. I am speaking English.
Perfect. Your ears need to hear your own voice. That builds confidence.
And I can talk about my day. For example, today I worked. I cooked pasta. I walked to the store.
Yes, you can also talk about plans. I will cook dinner. I will watch a video. I will study English.
So I can speak in the past, present, and future.
Exactly. You don't need a partner to start speaking, David.
This makes learning more possible. No excuses.
Yes. Start with yourself. Small steps every day.
How long should I study each day? 1 hour, 2 hours?
Not necessary. 10 or 15 minutes every day is very powerful.
Small steps every day, not a big step once a week.
Exactly. Language learning is slow, but slow is okay. Just be consistent.
And what about mistakes?
Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean your brain is learning. Do not worry about being perfect.
If I say something wrong, I just correct myself.
Yes, and be kind to your brain. Support it. Don't fight it.
Hello, brain. I love you.
Good. Your brain works hard for you.
I really feel like I can start thinking in English now.
You can. and soon it will feel natural. Not everything, but more and more.
I think this episode will help a lot of learners.
I hope so. And if this episode helped you, please click like and subscribe to the English Flow channel. Your support helps us create more lessons.
Yes, and leave a comment below. Tell us, how do you train your brain? Do you listen to music? Watch cooking videos? Speak to yourself?
We want to read your ideas. Your comments also help other learners get motivated.
So thank you for listening today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy the process.
Remember, small sentences, good input, and daily output.
Yes. And be patient and kind to yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.